I have been getting a lot of queries that from students who have already registered for May exam, but they have not scheduled your exam, and they were asking that can we schedule our exam for August? Okay, apart from the May window, can we go and schedule our exam for the August 6th date, which is the new date that the institute has released? Okay, I have checked with the institute also. Right now, there's no option for students who have already registered for May to go and schedule for the any other month. They have to schedule in the month itself. Okay, now when you go to schedule, you might see when you pick up the date, you might find August and November, but the moment you pick that date, they will ask you to pay a deferral fees of $200. So from that perspective, guys, right now there is no option for students to move their exam from May to August. They will have to pay the fees. In case if there is any severe medical condition or any particular unique situation, they can reach out to the institute. They can request for the movement of the exam, but it might not be possible for all the students. Okay, so this was a quick short video for those guys to get to clarify their queries. And if you like our videos, do subscribe to my channel and pass it on to your friend. It will be really helpful to pass on this information regarding the exam so that they can also benefit. Thank you.